All right, number 16, which is equal to -2? So hopefully you can rule out these two from the beginning, because you can never have a base that's negative, and you can never take the log of something negative. That's why those two are out. A is the answer, and that's because 5 to the -2 is equal to 1/25. That's our relationship. But if you type this into the calculator using your little change of base formula, right, it will come out to -2. Okay, so we would do log of 1/25, log of 1/25 divided by log 5, and it comes out to -2. Right? Just evaluate the logarithm and see if it gives you -2. All right, number 17. So you've got your answer options. You can just plug them in for x and see if they give you 81. Wouldn't be that difficult to do. Let's go ahead and try that with option A here. We got log 81 divided by 5. We'll store that to x. Okay. Now if I type in the expression 3 to the 3x times 3 to the 2x, it is not going to give me 81. Well, sort of, but no, that's not it. I'll go ahead and work this out. The way that you should do this is go ahead, since they have the same base, you can add these exponents. I mean, you can take the log right now, and you would separate them out with addition because it's multiplication. But it's easier just to group them by adding the exponents first. Because they have the same base, you can just add those exponents. 3x plus 2x is 5x. And now you can take the log of both sides to bring that exponent down. It'll give you 5x log 3 is equal to log 81. And since you're solving for x here, you want to cancel out the 5 and the log 3. So you're going to divide by 5 log 3 to make that happen. Divide by 5 log 3. Okay. So x will equal whatever this is. It's almost option C, but that is not quite right. So let's type that in. Okay, we're going to have log 81 over 5 log 3 comes out to 0.8. And 0.8 as a fraction is 4/5. Right? 4 divided by 5 gives you the same thing. So our answer is 4/5. If you want to check that, just store it to x. Store that thing to x. And then go back up there and type it in. Okay, when you type that expression in, you're going to get 81. Oh, yep, you're going to get 81. All right, which expression is equivalent to this? So we could answer it by just plugging in some random number for x and then comparing the original to the little extra crispies over here. Let's say we did x equal 2. That would turn us into log of 3 times 4, because 2 squared is 4, over 8, which would be the log of 12 over 8. All right, I'm just plugging in 2 for x, basically. Log of 12 divided by 8, you get 0.176. Now, the correct answer on this one is D. And if you type in this expression, it's going to give you that same answer. Log 3 plus 2 log x. 2 log 2, because we're plugging in 2 for the x, minus log 8. Same answer. Okay, so the right way, the way you're supposed to do it, is by implementing this rule first. So the log of a division statement will separate out as the log of the top minus the log of the bottom. And honestly, that's all that you have to do to answer this one. As soon as you see that negative log 8, you should be keyed in on that one. We would separate these two out because they're being multiplied. It would be log 3 plus log x squared. And then you could bring down your exponent as that 2 there. And that would finish it off. All right, hope that helps you guys. And if there's something you're not clear about, please ask.